Janet Network, and I'm back again. I'm back in my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making one of my specialties. Like, this is like one of those dishes that when people come over for the party, they're like, oh, yo, Janet, you about to make that? And I'm like, yeah, I'm about to make that. I'm going to be making nacho man. I take pride in my nachos being bomb. I know my nachos are bomb. So it is what it is. Y'all about to watch me chef it up and make some quick nachos. This is so quick. That's number one. A good, quick, easy food for moms. Yo, you gotta know how to do it. These recipes gotta be endless, okay? So I hope y'all enjoy. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, get them notifications on. We about to get ready. Let's get started, okay?
I got pain, I got struggle, I got low times. I got haters, insecure, and a whole nine. But I'm still learning, babe.
First off, I gotta start with the ingredient list. Ground beef, chips. I use Doritos because who don't want the flavor, okay? It's all about the flavor, okay? Onion, shredded cheese and jarred cheese, jalapenos. It say even nachos on it. You can't make nachos without jalapenos. It just go hand in hand. I love me this taco sauce. Fresh salsa, because this stuff is amazing. It wouldn't be nachos without the sour cream.
It would not be nachos without the sour cream, okay?
You know it's real when you buy a taco seasoning like this, okay? I know what y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all usually get them in a pack, some little... Hold on, let me show you. People taco seasoning look like these. And that's crazy, because you see I got these too. I love them, and people love them so much. I said I gotta have the big ones, the big joints, okay? It's very simple ingredients, but this about to be the best and the most banging nachos y'all ever seen, okay? So let's get started. I start my just to get it going, okay? And I start to add my ground beef. Remember, this is still on medium low, just so I can get all of my meat in my pan. I'm going to go ahead and bring the heat up. Doing that, I'm going to add seasoning to my meat. So a little garlic powder, onion powder, steak seasoning. And I'll just, make sure that I get on through. And a seasoning salt. So as I start to get this nice, beautiful browning going on, I'm going to soon start to prep myself to add my taco seasoning. Taco seasoning time. I'm generous with the taco seasoning because it's not really salty. It's more of a zest. See how beautiful that gets. So, our ground beef is pretty much done, okay? You get a nice, beautiful, okay? So now what I do is I line everything out on the table to get my little assembly line going. Say hi, Karen. He always got up here. That's my feature all the time. He just have everything lined up so I can just start plating like ground beef, cheese, onions, tomato, fresh salsa, sour cream, nice and whooped so it can give you that little nice smooth consistency. Shredded cheese, jalapenos, chips. So I can just start booming them out like assembly line. Like, I'm going to get these things out and ready because it's the easiest way for me to start serving so many people. So I get my nice little comfortable seat. I get me a stack of plates. And I get to work with the work. Okay? Kind of like, yeah, nacho man. You ready? You so cute. Hey, handsome. Okay, let's get started. It's time to layer. Bottom layer, the chips. After the chips, you get the meat. I'm generous, okay? Look at that. Look at that. This bowl is hot. I was trying to prevent moving it, but it was inevitable. Sour cream it. Yes, like, who don't like sour cream? The taco sauce. Then I do the fresh salsa. Drizzle a little extra onion because who don't love onion? My shredded cheese. Jalapenos! Yes, spicy. With my onions and tomatoes. Cayenne, sticky fingers. That boy is sticky fingers. Mountain. It's not done yet. After this, I pop this in the microwave for about 30 seconds so that my shredded cheese get a nice little, ooh, like perfect. Look. Now look at that. This is what I call a nacho. Like, these are nachos, okay? You can tell, like, these are delicious. So, let me go ahead and get the, ooh. Now, perfect. Yo, oh, I gotta get another one. Yo, yeah. Every time. Ain't mad and it takes no time to make. It's like, the only thing you really gotta do is cook the ground beef. After that, you just putting them together. It's so good.
Well, isn't that one for me?
Yeah, this one is for you, right?
That's for me, but she...
I got you. I'll make the next one for you. I got you. Next one out. So, thank y'all for watching. Please make sure y'all hit that bell for these quick meals, everything. Spend some time with me and my family. Eat this with us. Enjoy, okay? Thanks for watching, y'all.